Hey guys, how's it going? I got another situation here. I have a computer here and I don't have an Ethernet cable, so I can have internet on this computer. There's one way I could do it though. I can use a wireless adapter, which then connects to the Wi-Fi of the house. But I don't believe so much in Wi-Fi because I think the signal is greatly lost, and I always try whenever I can to run wire straight to the computer. To pull one of the lines, we are here on the second floor, making another outlet hole here for the Ethernet wire. But here I'm gonna use this as a good reference, the outlet here, and I'm gonna measure from the outlet, which is above. I'm pretty sure the lines, they run from above, from the attic right up there. Or I can use also the fan here from the AC as a measurement or as a reference to where I should be drilling the hole. So I can come right down here, and then over here I'm gonna open another square opening for one of those Ethernet outlets to be installed in here, and then from there on straight to the computer. Up here in the attic, as you can see, is the AC that goes right into the room, and as we saw from below in the room, the outlet that was right next to the AC goes right there, and we're basically gonna drill a hole about in this area right here. There's our hole that we just drilled, so now we're just gonna fish the Ethernet line down there and grab it from underneath. All right, and I pushed in the cable, so let's check from below. Now the other end of this cable, which is over here, will go right in this router. So now that we pushed down our wire and hopefully it landed here somewhere, I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna make a hole here, a square hole. I'm gonna be using this outlet bracket, and basically it has two tabs here that when you push this into the hole, this will flare up like this, and then as you tighten the screw here, you squeeze it together, and then you get a flush mount outlet bracket where then you can mount either like a regular outlet plate here or anything else for your, like in our case we're gonna be mounting this that we got in Lowe's just now. And for right now, we're gonna install one of the keystones here, and maybe later on I might install the second keystone. I'm gonna go ahead, trace the outline here. All right, so now let's check the fitment. Pretty good. Let's take it up. And moment of truth. Hopefully the cable landed in here somewhere. Nothing this side. Yep. And here it is. So now all we have to do is terminate the lines. So for this job, I'm gonna be using this kit that I bought online. You can buy it anywhere in the store. I'm also gonna put a link in the description. And this is it for this side over here. Now we're just gonna go upstairs. Okay, so we got this terminated. Now it's time to hook this up to our little tester. This side up. I'm gonna go on the other side and let's see what we have. I'm gonna use a little patch cable here. And let's see what we got. So we got all four pairs good to go. We got green light. This tester will tell you exactly here on the right hand side if there's a short, misfire, reversal, or anything else that was not hooked up right with the wire or terminated the right way. So we're in the green here. Port. Alrighty, time to test it now. So here on the computer, as you can see, it's just the globe sign, which means it's still searching for internet, but it cannot find anything. And even if we go to a regular internet site, there's nothing happening here. So let's go ahead and do that. And it's already run through there, oh, it's computer. And check this out. So the globe turned into this little monitor screen with like a Ethernet adapter right next to it. And let's refresh this website. See what we got. Alrighty, we got something going on here now. Well guys, if this somehow helped you out with running the cables from the attic and down to the room, or whatever your situation might be, hopefully this gave you somewhat an idea how to tackle your next project on running cables through the room from the attic. Or if you have basement, you can probably do the same thing from the basement, from down below, come up to the room. Please like, share, comment, helps out the algorithm, and I'll catch you next time.